Diben Patil also offered prayers to Ram Lala during the ceremony. Amid the bhajan of Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, choppers showered flower petals over Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple premises. People from all walks of life, including industrialists Mukesh Ambani, Sunil Mittal and Anil Ambani, actors Amitabh Bachchan, Rajnikant, Ranbir Kapoor, Chiranjeevi, Madhuri Dixit, Katrina Kaif, Alia Bhatt and Kangana Ranaut, as well as sports personalities Sachin Tendulkar, Anil Kumble and Saina Nehwal are present at the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi. People of the Hindu community across the globe celebrated the opening of Ram Temple in Ayodhya, showcasing their unbridled enthusiasm and reverence for this historic occasion. The Janaki Temple in Nepal's Janakpur, which is said to be the home of goddess Sita, is illuminated with lights as people are keen to celebrate the Pran Pratishtha by organizing Deepavali. The Indian diaspora in New York lit Times Square with a picture of Lord Ram and sang Ram bhajans to celebrate their cultural heritage and vibrancy. In Paris, Hindu community embraces the spirit of Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha with jubilation. Querétaro, a city in Mexico, got its first Lord Ram temple yesterday. The temple was inaugurated after the Pran Pratishtha ceremony was performed by an American priest with Mexican hosts and the idols brought from India. A large number of temples dotted across Meghalaya on Monday to celebrate the consecration of the Ram temple at Ayodhya. Ram Puja was organized in various temples throughout the state. There is a wave of excitement and devotion among Hindu communities. Parts of Shillong have been decked up with posters, flags of Lord Ram ahead of Pran Pratishtha in Ayodhya. The chanting of Jai Shri Ram reverberates as devotees in large numbers partook in the celebration. Vehicles including two-wheelers in Shillong town were seen carrying saffron flags featuring Lord Ram. The Vishwa Hindu Parishad, the organizing committee of Shiv Mandir Joai, joined hands today to inaugurate the Ram Mandir at Ayodhya. The inauguration was conducted virtually through live streaming at the temple premises, with the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, leading the ceremony. Bhola Kumar Gupta, the secretary of the committee, informed that they had performed the Kalash Yatra since yesterday. Today, they shared their faith through virtual participation and prayer at the temple. Gupta expressed his gratitude on behalf of the committee to the district administration, SP office and all local headmen for their support and assistance.
राम मंदिर का उपलक्ष्य में रखा गया है, जो हमारे 500 साल पहले मंदिर था, राम मंदिर, और उस मुगल राज जब आया उसके बाद इन लोग अपना ऊपर में मस्जिद बना दिए। मस्जिद बनाने के बाद में इसके 500 साल तक हम लोग यहाँ पे लड़ाई चला, बहुत लोग अपना बलिदान दिए। बलिदान देने के बाद उच्च न्यायालय का बाद में अभी कुछ दिन पहले ये आया कि यहाँ पे जब खुदाई हुआ तो निकला ना राम मंदिर नीचे में, उसके बाद फिर अपना राम मंदिर बना वहाँ पे छोटा सा। उस उपलक्ष्य में
The Vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra awareness program was conducted by Beta Singh CNRD block at Beta Singh Playground in Southwest Garo Hills. Participants shared their experiences with initiatives such as the Megha Health Insurance Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Aapke Dwar Ayushman Registration, People Plan Campaign and Village Level Development Plan under Sabki Yojana, Sabka Vikas, District Agriculture Department Southwest Garo Hills and Office of Fishery Department Southwest Garo Hills, etc. The Beta Singh Medical Health Center played a vital role in promoting community health and well-being during the event. The All Meghalaya Karbi Association is set to host its 49th annual conference on January 24th and 25th at Umjarem village in the Ribhoi district. The primary objective of the conference is to safeguard the cultural heritage and identity of the Karbi tribe and foster unity among its members in Meghalaya. The event will kick off with the inauguration by Charles Mangar, the local MLA of Mauhati, and will culminate with a closing address by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. AMCA President Robert Jones Ronghang and Secretary Bisto Khan Timong emphasized the significance of the two-day conference, which will feature various cultural events.
baru ipat mustang badan ko Meghalaya kamtam hagar boy district ka cika ban long yan conference kan an long arsa wat arsan tre ban hakas nong umrang jaren am kayunin kamala tembit la tembiang kata ada wasno ban unjuru ban balangka te ya kan ga jingkhon South Kundai juga annual conference amka makongsan kamat kaba yatai namta ka jai benril tuga syomasa apo Meghalaya ban penet pensa kariti dustu kat imlang salam kamtam ru kipai kasih badonlang hakathan kadong ru kine simentalang hakasni ban wanra ya ka jing songsngan songsuk bat di benta ba fer yang ban ya keren tesni bat kunjuru nagleang jongi gamka ni la penkre ki program ba fer tesni namanta ikun samla bat kentiu ya kasap kapong jongi badon apo district ban Meghalaya di Broboi kena
Insia mengenai kabu mengkecip jadi ba ka stop ka jinglang pajba dan ka annual conference jong ka all Meghalaya Karbe Association kalau arok sau bat atro santri jong benai kalau kot arhajar apsau te hagen por isio pendapat ya barok di parok Karbi di Bosong Basa apo Meghalaya apil semua ban poi ha ketika jelang kabel sistem kemen pau ketika jetli ketika dai ketika kejumi.
The President of the 78th session of the United Nations General Assembly, Dennis Francis, arrived in New Delhi this morning on a 5-day visit to India. Ministry of External Affairs said the visit is an opportunity to advance India-UN ties and exchange views on India's priorities and global challenges. During the visit, Mr. Francis will hold talks with External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar on key multilateral issues of mutual interest. He will also pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. He will also deliver a public address at the Indian Council of World Affairs on multilateralism and peace, prosperity, progress and sustainability on Wednesday. The President of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H. Pala, and the Working President, Dr. Celestin Lingdo, on Sunday has issued an earnest appeal to the residents of Meghalaya to attend and participate in the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra in the run-up to Rahul Gandhi's concluding event of the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra in Meghalaya. They emphasize the significance of the visit and urge the people of Meghalaya to join and observe the discussions on various issues that Rahul Gandhi will address. On Monday, supporters of Congress thronged to NSCA Mini Stadium at Paham's Aim to witness the Rahul Jodo Nyay Yatra.
Bagi MPCC Presiden baru tim kalong ba kipai ba kini ami renti lasai ban yawan sengap ia ka meeting ke jong Rahul. Kani ka meeting kamde tangna ka bentai ki parti Kongres. Kari India baru gawe mentah kadon hapedeng ka crossroad bangi ong.
VPP on Monday decided to keep their sit-in demonstration agitation in abeyance till the time a meeting with the Chief Minister is convened. Talking to media, VPP Supremo Arden Embasayomoit, who too joined the demonstration on Monday, said the decision was taken following their meeting with the Law Minister, Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo. The Law Minister assured the VPP delegations that the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will soon convene a meeting on this matter. Earlier, VPP on Monday morning once again began its agitation to pressurize the state government to reinstate the 3 Lokayukta officials who were fired.
We can put, a resistance to the incursion of... A valid reason is that when the government unceremoniously terminate the services of those 3 officers, we feel it is our duty to take up the matter. And we are not convinced with the clarification of the government that whatever the government has done is because the appointment of those officials is against the law. So we question the government, how do you overlook such a section which is too glaring in the act? So these are the things that we have discussed, we have raised, and we have clearly told the Minister in Charge Law to convey all these points.
The members of the Ribhoi District Sports Association, including the local legislator of Nongpor Assembly constituency and leaders of various NGOs of Ribhoi District on Sunday, welcomed and felicitated the Ribhoi District contingent after their arrival in Nongpor after their successful participation in the concluded 5th Meghalaya Games 2024 in Tura. It may be mentioned that Ribhoi District contingent bagged the second overall champion with a total of 79 medals, including 27 gold, 22 silvers and 30 bronze medals, while the contingent managed to secure gold in the under-18 football, both boys and girls.
Natura dengan penparu instrumen bagi kena tinggi di pusat nanti abang kita setel nanti kita kaibhar tu boleh di disiplin baru warna medal gold, silver, bronze, basketball lagi football kita lagi champion of the 5th Meghalaya Games 2024.
Now the weather report. Maximum temperature 15.5 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 4.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 57%, relative humidity in the evening was 63%. Forecast, dry weather most likely. Before we conclude, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled Ram Lala idol in Sanctum Sanctorum of Temple. Pran Pratishtha celebrations pour in from all over India and abroad. Temples across Meghalaya celebrated the consecration of the Ram temple at Ayodhya. Vishwa Hindu Parishad of Shiv Mandir Jowai joined hands during the inauguration of Ram Mandir at Ayodhya. And Voice of the People Party decided to keep their sit-in demonstration agitation in abeyance. That's all we have in today's edition. Thanks for watching. Good night.